Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I had a break, went to upstate New York and had a wonderful time in a beautiful area and took a few days off, and now I am home and settled, getting back into the scheme of things, getting busy again. And I'm still on a copper kick. I really love the copper thing, and I want to really try it with a darker bronze color and with gold and see what effect I can create with that. And I kind of want to do the look of swirling it around instead of petals per se. I got a new mold. I'll provide the link below the video. These are two shell coasters that I got, and if I have enough resin for them, I'll do them, but I want to make sure I have enough for these. I got me a new little toy. It's a heat tool from Counterculture. Look at that, isn't that pretty? It's not even marred with paint and resin yet, but that'll be over with probably before today. I got a new mat here. They have the Counterculture mats. They're very thick and resilient, and even though this one is aged a little bit color wise, it works perfectly wonderfully. And I have several of their mats, and looking forward to the day that they come out with a large mat, because I kind of talked them into that. So just waiting on that to pop out someday. Got a couple of new tools, their little tweezer set, some really pointy ones and then some curled ones, but look at the holographic shimmer. Isn't that pretty? They're really pretty tweezers, really pretty. And they got a silicone brush. They're very inexpensive on their website. You should check them out. They have different molds, all kinds of glitters and colors and pigments. I'm starting my timer. I have mixed medium viscosity resin, equal parts A and B, for 6 minutes, so it's totally mixed. And I think what I'm going to do first is go ahead and pour clear in, and then I will mix my colors and then wait until about 25 to 30 minutes before putting my colors into the clear. So let me show you what I'm using. I'm using Funshine Color Shop Sparkle Miners Gold, which I absolutely love, and I put it together with Laura's Art Corner Eridron Pale Gold. I put them together with a little gold Pinata alcohol ink. The only copper I have right now is by Pearlex, and this is Super Copper. It's like a copper penny. I don't have any copper alcohol ink. I've ordered some today. I'll have it in a few days, so I'll have to use it again. This is also Pearlex, and this is Antique Bronze. And I'm going to mix a little bit of the Blackbird from Funshine Color Shop in to just deepen that. I want it really kind of dark. So those will be my 3 colors. I also have some black Pinata alcohol ink. And then I've got several glitters, some chunky glitters. This is Martha Stewart Fire Opal, which is real shimmery and kind of holographic copper colored. And I have some really fine dark copper glitter, and I have copper leaf. And I'm going to kind of wait till I get my colors mixed before I decide what I want to put in the center of my molds. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in. I don't know how much these take. I'm not filling them all the way to the top because I want space to add my colors. Let me see how much I used from that pour. I think that's about 2 ounces. I actually put a little bit more black in there than I wanted, but I actually love the color. It's a really deep, rich bronze color. The gold looks good and the copper looks good. I put gold alcohol ink in there. It doesn't really change the color, it just brightens it a bit. So I've got to decide. This is not really any of these colors. This is kind of a champagne color, so don't think I want that one. And I have the gold in these as well, but I'm not sure that I wanted gold. This is copper, and I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put a little bit of this really fine, deep copper glitter in, and then I'll put a little spoonful of that. I'm also going to transfer these into cups, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, I'm at 31 minutes, so I need to get busy here. Really maxed out my time on this, so it's not going to move a whole lot once this is maneuvered while it's still not plasticky. So I kind of waited a bit too long. I was, you know, kind of coasting there, and I should have reacted a little bit faster. Just trying to come up with a swirly pattern. I don't want to leave any definite shapes. I want it to be very swirly and random. Anyway, I just want to see the color combination, how it looks color-wise, and then I can always do the floral. I'll be back. Okay, it's the next day. So we'll start with the shells. It looks pretty on this side, so even if it doesn't look pretty on the other side, it's a winner. and it's also etched. So the etching, but I actually like this side better. These suckers are thick. So I think I could have put the colored resin into the clear resin a little bit earlier and had a little bit different results. I waited a bit too long, but still really pretty colors. These are thicker than that one is thick. Could be a little pendant. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned something from it, hopefully. If you want the colors to drop down, you have to do it a little earlier. Like for the floral blooms, it's right around 30 minutes or so. It was around 40 when I was doing this, so I waited a little too long. So it stays higher. It doesn't float down to the bottom of the resin. I had wanted it to kind of land and make some of those little heavy puddles and all that comes closer to the surface, which is the bottom area. But it didn't do that because of how long I waited. And then I always go overboard on the glitter. Like these two I put less, and these two I put too much. And you know, for glitter, always less is better, I think. So, you know, I like these on this side, and you got the little bit of the glitter at the bottom. On the etched side, can you see the etching? They're okay. Nice earthy tones. So I wanted to try those color combinations together just to see what it'd look like. So thanks for watching. Check out all the links below the video. I am a Cricut affiliate now, even though I have not even tried my machine yet. I have a link below the video, and they're always running really super great sales, and so you don't pay anything extra to go through my link, but if you click the link, it'll take you straight to their website, and usually it'll tell you if there's a 20 or 30% off, or sometimes 50% off sale. And I got the whole bundle for the Cricut 2. Yeah, the newest one is Cricut 3, but the one I got was 2, which is plenty sufficient. I got the whole bundle, the machine and tools and all kinds of vinyls for $1.99, free shipping. So check it out. Also, check out my Amazon journals link if you'd like to check out the links. I'm going to be adding to those over time. And my Etsy shop, everything like this will end up in the Etsy shop when I'm done. So go check it out, and I'll see you on the next video. Hugs. Bye-bye.